Hello, good morning, all of you. Now, your new topics is democratic politics, chapter 6 in political parties. Now, I have dictating about that political party. That political party, so first of all, political party are easily one of the most visual instructions in a democracy for the most ordinary citizens. First of all, I have dictated about the what is the democracy. Democracy is a system in which the government to country is elected by the peoples. These are called the democratic. So in this topic, study about the why we need a political party. The we need the political party because all the political party are easily one of the most visual institution on democracy for most ordinary citizen. Democracy is equal to political party. It means what first of all I have dictated about that what is the political party. What is the meaning of the political party? The meaning of political party means a political party is a group of the people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs on society with a view of promote the collective foods goods, since there can be the different view on what is the good for all. These are the meaning of the political party. Political party is all above the 100 year. Therefore, the natural asks, what do need political party at all? About 100 years ago, there were few countries of the world that is one political party. 100 years ago, there are the few countries which are the run by the only one party. For example, USA by party. मतलब by party means you can say only for two party which are connect and the one to the not component of the context of the election. The India is the multi-party. India is the multi-party because these are the many party which are involving of that. In our country, at least 750 party which are the involving of that, but not taken the interest about the party only for some party which are the connect of that. There are the six political party, that official party which are connecting all that. For example, Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress, Bharatiya Samaj Party. These are the some party which are involving of. We can take the some keen interest about the parties which are maintaining of that. These are the very importance of our. So why we need of the political party due to the visual institution in a democracy for most ordinary citizens. These are the equal political party. That is why these of our political party. So in this topic we can read that which are the political party democracy all over the world. Later the first answer what political party and what do they say. First of all, what political party I have delivered against that. The political party, the group of people who comes together to contest election and hold power. Which of the political party? Any party which are given to the majority, which are there are three components of the political party which have first of all given to the leaders. Number two, inactive members. Number three, we can say the followers. After that, these are given to the party which have any party which are the connecting of the those party which are the active members which are connecting of the members, the leaders. Number two is the active members. Number three is the followers. It has connecting of the political party. First of all, you can say what is the partition. Partition, a person who is strongly commitment to a party, root its function, party, partisanship, and marked by the tendency to take a side and the inability to take the launch view on an issue. They can say that these are the टेंडेंसी ऑफ पार्टीशन. किसी भी पार्टी को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए उनके 3 चीज़ों का होना बहुत जरूरी. नंबर 1 क्या? लीडर होना चाहिए. कैसा लीडर होना चाहिए? एक्टिव होना चाहिए. तीसरे में क्या? फॉलोवर्स होने चाहिए. उस लीडर्स के उसको अनुसरण करने वाले. इट मीन्स यू कैन से दैट किसी भी पार्टी को रन करने के लिए 3 पार्ट कंपोनेंट इट इज द कंपल्सरी. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन से दीज आर द वेरी वेरी important how to connect the leaders which are managing the in front of the society. They can commitment. There is a better commitment it has given to the party. Who has better commitment in front of the society, they can fulfill of this the commitment. They can winning of election. They can make of the rules and regulation that those person which are the winning and those party politics it has run by the how many years? 5 years. In these topics you can study why is that political party the after the some function is have organized a political party. Number party context election. किसी भी पार्टी को इलेक्शन रन करने के लिए कॉन्टेक्स्ट होना चाहिए, कॉम्पिटिशन होना, आपस में प्रतिस्पर्धाएँ होती है. 2 पार्टी इंडिया इधर multi party which are run of them at least in our country 750 parties are involving of them, but some which are the political parties, they are the 6 political party involving of them. Number 1 with those party which are connecting of them. First of all you can say how to national party organize. Number first these are the Indian National Congress. Number 2 Bharatiya Janata Party, and number 3 Bahujan Samaj Party. Number 4 Communist Party of India. Number 5 the Communist Party of Indians, and number 6 National Congress Party. These are the connecting of that. They are the 6 National Congress Party. They are the 6 according to this 2006 they learn about the some these party which are connecting. These are the Indian National Congress Party, MIC, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, and Communist Party of India, CPI, and FIP. These are Communist Party of India, CPI, and National Congress Party of India. These are the NCP. These parties which are given to this, these are the very, very important. Some parties have, any party have some first rules. They are the party context, party context election. Most of democracy election are fought mainly that among the candidate put on the political party. Parties select on the candidate in a different way. Some of countries such as USA, member and supporters of party choose and candidate. So USA member of the support and choose and the candidate. Now the more than country are the following the method in this, like India, two of top party leaders to the candidate for the contested election. India is a multiple party system. They can point the most top party leaders to on the candidate for the contesting election. Number 2, it has given to this number the policies and program. It has making the policies and program. Number 1, which is the party contest election policies and programs. Number 3, it has given to the making of the laws. Number 4, it has maintained forms and run government. Number 5, rule of oppositions. Number 6, shape public opinion. Number 7, that access to the government machinery and welfare schemes it has. These are the party maintaining of that. We have how many parties should have election in democratic group of citizens free of two from the political party. In this formal sense, there is a large number of political party in country. More than 750 party are registered within the elections of India. But 450 election of India maintaining the party effectively and raised win the election and that government to the questions how many major or effective party good for the election in the same country. Only for one party is allowed to the control the run of the government. Who has the majority of people, they can party elect that. They have the only one party which have the called the one party system. The which is that one party system. The discuss naturally term the meaning of that. After that, national political party. This democracy of following federal system. Federal system, you know about the central government, state government, and local government, which are connected. You can say the central, which have given to the federal government. Only one federal unit and party that are the present in the several or all units and the federalization. This is the case in the India as well as there are many countries white party which are called the national party. There are some countries which are white party which are called the national party. These parties have their own units, various states, but by large all these units following the some policies, program, strategy that is decided the national level. Every party in the country has to register with the election commission, while the commission hears all party equality, offer some special facilities to the large and established party. These parties are given to the unique symbol. Only the official candidate of party can use the election symbol. Party that get that this privilege and some other special facility are recognized by the election commission for the purpose. This why these party are called the recognized political party. The election commission had laid down the detailed criteria of the corporation of votes, seats. A party must give as order to the recognized party. A party has that secured at least 6% of the total voters in the election of the legislative assembly of the state have win at least 2 seats in the recognized as a state party. A party that secured at least 6% of the total votes in the Lok Sabha election or assembly election is a 4 state in win of the 4 seats in the Lok Sabha recognize the national party. State party is only for 2 in the legislative assembly and national party 6% of the total fund and 4 seats have the Lok Sabha recognized in the national party. According to this classification, there were the 6 national or recognized in the party in this country 2006. How many years? You can say that 2006 has recognized the 6 national party is recognized of that. Some are these it has given to this. I have dictating about the 2006 it has national Indian National Congress and NIC. Number 2, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. It has National Congress Party is known as the Congress which have the our older party of the world, the founded at 1885. Indian National Congress Party when the founded 1885 and his experience of many play domains and Indian political in the national and state level for the descent and after the independence. Number 2 है भारतीय जनता पार्टी, the founded by 1980 by the receiving of the भारतीय जन भारतीय जन संघ. Number 3 बहुजन समाज पार्टी BSP, the founded 1984 under the leadership of Kansi Ram. Communist Party, which have India, the founded on 1964, the believe in the Marxist Lenin. Number 5, the Communist Party of India CPI from 1925 believe in the Marxist Leninism. Number 6, National Congress Party, the founded 1999, the following in the split in that Congress Party. These are the state which have given to the 6 national party. State party other than the 6 party, most of the major party of the country are classified by the election commission state party. They are the commonly affected which have maintaining of their commonly affected, they can say, which have the state other of the 6 party connection maintaining of that. They can see how to this given maintaining. They can see which have maintaining of that. These are the 6 major party connecting of that. Some of the समाजवादी पार्टी, समता पार्टी, राष्ट्रीय जनता दल are the national level program organization within the unit in the several states. Some of these parties like Biju Janata Dal and Sikkim Democratic Front, Mizo National Front of the conscious about the state identify. These are the party belonging of that. Challenge of political party. The first charge of the lack of the internal democracy within all the over the world. There is a tendency in the political party toward the connection of power in or few leaders at the top. The party do let the membership registered, do not hold the organizational meeting and do not conduct internal election regularly. Ordinary members of the party do not get the sufficient information on what happened inside the party. They have been means of the connection need to implement decisions. We have given to the regionals maintain how to this. They are maintaining of their party elections, maintaining of their. They have maintained the Bahujan Samaj Party. They can afford how to maintaining of that. These are the party connecting of that. Okay, finish.